In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find product key in Windows 11. Fix Today here. Let's begin. Start by opening the command prompt on your Windows 11 computer. Click the Start menu at the bottom center of your screen. Then in the search bar, slowly type CMD. From the search results, locate command prompt. Right-click on it, then click Run as Administrator. If a user account control prompt appears, click Yes to allow it to run with admin access. Once the command prompt window opens, you will see a black screen with a blinking cursor. Click inside the window to make sure it is active and ready for input. Now carefully type the command exactly as shown. Type WMIC, then add a space, then type path, then a space, then software licensing service, then a space, then get, then a space, then OA3X original product key. Take your time entering each part to make sure there are no mistakes. After typing the full command, press Enter on your keyboard. The system will process the command and display your product key directly below the heading that says OA3X original product key. This will appear as a 25-character code made up of letters and numbers. To save it, click and drag your mouse over the entire product key to highlight it. Once highlighted, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy it. Open any note-taking app, click inside a blank space, then press Ctrl+V to paste the product key so you can keep it for future use. If this helped, hit like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. If the area below the heading appears blank, this means your Windows is likely using a digital license instead of a stored product key. In this case, your activation is linked to your Microsoft account rather than saved directly on your device. If you are unable to find a key using this method, it usually confirms that your Windows 11 activation is handled through a digital license instead of a physical product key. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.